She used to be a big-time Hollywood producer, but she chucked it all for the dream of making the sweet stuff. And now she does it on both coasts, Los Angeles and in the mountains of Massachusetts.
When I thought about the logical opportunities for me to have my own production company or start a consulting business, I realized I didn't want to do any of those things. All I wanted to do was make desserts.
Check out this Massachusetts maple, which starts with carefully tempered melted chocolate.
Putting it in the refrigerator or the freezer is too cold too fast.
Voila! Massachusetts maples. Now don't get those confused with another favorite, these sake chakis.
I have a small artisan chocolate business, which means all the chocolates are handmade, all the flavors are custom designed, all the shapes are unique and intricate, and there's an artistic aspect to it. One of the reasons I think people love chocolate is the combination of the fat and sugar. Then what do we want to put in that chocolate? Do we want to put a lot of chocolate cream? Do we want it more caramel? We just make all these executive decisions.
I'm setting up for a holiday boutique. This is maple peanut and dark chocolate, very dark chocolate with maple peanut sugar cream inside. And it's kind of messy to eat, just to warn you.
Heaven.
Cooking is engaging, it is interesting. You're in a constant conversation with yourself about how much, what flavor is working, and you're also engaging your senses.
From gift baskets to birthday cakes, handmade chocolates to dessert catering. It's all about one thing for Susie.
I realize the power of chocolate, that people who love it so much.
Hey, what's not to love when it's all built on chocolate?
Do your icing, get rid of any crumbs, go back in. That'll keep this whole batch clean.